Hello everyone, Chris McCarthy here with FactoryWebSource.com, and in this video today I'm going to walk you through your Factory Web Source control panel so you can see exactly what our control panel has in it and how you go about editing your Factory Web Source website theme. So first off, if you visit FactoryWebSource.com, this is the home page, and you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see that we offer 3 different manufacturing website themes. We do custom websites, but this is the quickest, easiest, and most affordable website to get a website up and running in as little as 24 to 48 hours. So we offer 3 different completely customizable themes for you to choose from. Very simple. You can view full demos of these themes right here by clicking on the view demo button, and then you can also purchase this theme. And like I said, these are fully customizable by you, so you can edit everything on this website, and we'll even do the initial setup for you and have your site up and running within 24 to 48 hours. But what I want to talk about today is logging into your control panel and show you exactly where you go and how you go about editing your own website. So in this demo today, I'm going to be using theme number 1. So this is theme number 1, and this is the home page right here. All you have to do is log into your Factory Web Source control panel. Once you are logged in, you're going to be dropped into the dashboard area. So right here on the dashboard area, first thing you're going to see here is this panel that welcomes you in here to the control panel, and then we have a series of step-by-step video tutorials that walk you through every part of the website and how you go about adding new pages, changing out your logo, editing all the photos, creating a new page, changing out the colors and fonts. Everything is completely customizable by you just by following these step-by-step video tutorials. So first thing I'm going to talk about today is over here on the left is your main navigation area for your control panel. So you're on the dashboard. First thing you're going to see here is Customize. By clicking on that, this is the area you would go to upload your logo right here on the top. And then down below here, we have some miscellaneous typography settings. So these are some heading settings and some general text font styles where you're able to come in here and edit out the size of the font, the type of font, the font weight, and then also the color of the font. So we have some general font settings. And then down here, we also have the primary navigation bar settings. So what you're looking at right here is the primary navigation bar that's right here on theme number 1. This is where you would go to edit the font that's in that navigation bar and all the colors associated with that. We also have some basic link and button colors down here and their hover states. And then down here, we also have the site title style and site description text area to edit that as well. So this is the first tab over here. So basically, if you're looking to edit the fonts and the colors on your website, this is where you would go. The next tab down here is Posts. This is for your blog. If you go ahead and add a blog to your manufacturing website, this is where you would go to create all of your new blog posts. Down here a little bit further is media. So this is your media library. These are all the images and the photos and the content that's currently loaded into your website. So when you add new pages to your website and you're adding all photos, everything's gonna be housed right in here in your website, and it's very easy to select any of these images and add them to a page. Next one down here is Forms. So these are your online submission forms. By default, we've added one in here for free quote, and that's the form that you're going to see over here on the Contact Us page. Now, all these forms are completely editable by you, so if you want to go in here and add or edit the fields that are included in the free quote page, this is where you would go. And then in another tutorial, we actually walk you through how you go about editing this form. So this is where you would go when you want to add new forms, delete forms, or edit the existing submission forms on your website. Next one down here is the pages on your website. So by default, we've loaded in several basic pages for you and included content in there as well. So you go here to edit any of these pages, but once again, you can add and delete as many pages as you'd like. So if you want to add a new page, you would go ahead and click on Add New, and then you simply use our very easy drag and drop page builder to build out your new pages. Next tab down here is Menus. So this is your main navigation bar that you'd see right up here on the top of theme number 1. And this is where you go to edit the tabs. So what you see right here is all the tabs on here, but you can very easily edit these tabs, remove these tabs, and add new tabs to your main navigation bar as you create new pages. Then we have a settings section down here, which are just some basic settings on your website, the title, and then some other settings down here that are editable by you. Next one down here is support. So if throughout the tutorials you still have additional questions, need help, need support, just click on that support tab, and that's going to bring you into this area where you can create a new ticket. Those tickets are going to be sent to us, and then we'll walk you through and resolve any issues that you may be having through our support ticketing engine. Next one down here is Google Analytics. So this is where you would go once you've set up your Google account. You would go in here and set that up so you can actually track all the visitors that are coming to your website through your Google Analytics account. Domain mapping. So when your site is initially set up, it's going to be on a subdomain of factorywebsite.com. So basically what you're looking at right here is the subdomain, which is demosite.factorywebsource.com. So this is where your site is originally going to be hosted when we sign it up, but you can very easily go in here and add your own custom domain name to get rid of that factory web source on there. So it can just be, for example, yourmanufacturingwebsite.com. Whatever your custom domain is, you simply walk through the very easy tutorial that we've set up for you in the tutorial section to set up and map your domain to point to your brand new website right here. Lastly, down here is your profile. So this is just some basic information about you if you want to go ahead and edit any of this. This is where you go in here to change out the password to your control panel and then also add some users if you'd like that as well. And lastly, what I want to talk about is up here in the upper right, just some basic information. Once again, this is your profile, and this is where you would go to log out of your control panel, and then you're able to log back in. So that's a basic rundown of the control panel for Factory Web Source website. As you can see, you're able to come in here and completely edit every aspect of your website, and through our very easy to use step-by-step video tutorials that you'll see right here on your dashboard, and really customize your website to fit your business. If you have any additional questions or need support and you're already a Factory Web Source customer or client of ours, you can simply click on that support tab that's located over here in the left, submit a support ticket, and we'd be happy to help. Or if you'd like to visit our website, factorywebsource.com, you can click up here on the Contact Us tab, and you can contact us right here by calling 702-418-3327, and also fill out this form down here if you'd like to contact us by email. So that's a basic rundown of the control panel, guys. Please visit factorywebsource.com and get started with your new manufacturing website today.